The situation was being monitored by security forces, who eventually began firing tear gas to dislodge the protesters. The protesters expressed their dissatisfaction at the manner in which the situation was handled.
Totally disappointed on what is going on here. People are doing peaceful protests, but look at what is happening. They damaged so many machines, so many cars, using tear gas to chase people away. I remember when this process started, it was very peaceful. But instead of government, Delta State government, I mean the governor of Delta State, to come and address this matter once for all. He refused, and to use force on the people.
What did I tell to give my family food? Balance and take. We are one start from. We are one start from Onyema. We are one start from. We are one start from. Ben get be those. This happen on Ukwuani. I'm on Ndokwa. We have
many companies in this town, and we don't have lights. They are eating the money. Enough is enough. We don't go green. We need lights.
But we stand today to tell the deputy governor that what we need is IPP step down.
Few protests. We're not disturbing anybody. The police are passing. We're just there dancing and waiting for the government to come and address us. The next thing we just saw, policemen from Asaba, Sakus, and others started shooting tear gas and gone.
Peaceful protests, what they do? They carry arms and ammunition. They shoot us. See my hand. See my hand.
All they have to do is to use the military men to come and oppress us here in our community without addressing us. Shot almost our persons. Almost few of the bike were burnt. Some were stabbed. What is the meaning of this? The federal government should come and intervene in this case.
From here to Ghana, Niger, Republic, Kaduna, Lagos, Abuja, connect light from here. More than 25 years now, we don't have light here. And we think that we're happy.
Very many people, they were injured. You know, tear gas all over. We cannot see road. Even my bike, before I got to the place where my bike is, they have already punctured my bike.
The protesters have insisted that they will remain at the venue of the protest until their demands are met.
Okay, my people, you all have watched that video. That protest that you saw there was made by a region of Igbo land in Delta State known as Ukwuani people. Myself, I'm from Ukwuani. The name of my community is Ogume community in Ndokwa West local government area, Delta State. We don't have lights. Since I dey go village, I never go village say light dey this village. There are communities in Ukwuani land that if you are entering that community from the major road, that road is not tied. The road now sand. You know, it just be like say they go farm road. No sign of development there. This is what we are experiencing in Ukwuani land. In Ukwuani land, we have crude oil wells everywhere. We have so many crude oil wells in my community, Ogume. We have in Ukwuani. We have in Emu. We have in Kwale. There's a very big oil company in Kwale. All over Ukwuani land, we have oil companies. Yet, no lights in Ukwuani land. No infrastructure in Ukwuani land. No job in Ukwuani land. No development in Ukwuani land. But you see this light on. Iho grand. No light. If you enter Ukwuani land, you can't be like, say, these people, they forbid lights. For the past 16 years. 16 years. Pikin where they 10 years for Ukwuani land. Never see light. You never see NEPA lights. Now only gen. During that protest on the 16th of June 2025, the protest was a peaceful one. Protesters not fights. They are not beat anybody. They are not injure anybody. They are just doing protest in Kwale community, telling the world, telling the government that they need lights. Police, army, Sakus came. They all came from Asaba. Instead of them to be protecting the protesters, they started shooting them with guns, shooting them tear gas. The bikes of the protesters were set ablaze by these security operatives. This is what we are seeing in Ukwuani land now. This is why I said that all these police, army, circles, they are not here for the common man. They are only here to protect the interest of politicians. You are shooting tear gas on people that are doing peaceful protests. All those tear gas, people they shoot all those tear gas now. Where riots they, where do you say fights they? To disperse them, you shoot tear gas. But now, they are not fighting. They are not saying, government, give us lights. Instead, you started shooting at them, burning their bikes. See people where bullets touch finish. Just imagine. Now this is now we call the see for this country. Nigeria is giving lights to Togo, Benin Republic, and Niger Republic. Yet, Nigeria citizens don't have lights. You don't see where that kind of thing they happen. Black people, the way black people they reason not good. The problem of a black man is in his brain. I never see light once for my community Ogume. Come Ukwuani land, no light. Ukwuani land is the richest Igbo region in Delta State. I repeat, Ukwuani land is the richest region of Igbo land in Delta State. Money where Ukwuani land they produce, the entire Enuani land not go fit produce am. Oshimili land not fit produce money where Ukwuani land they produce for the federal government of Nigeria. And the other land not go fit produce am. All the car land combined cannot produce the kind of wealth that Ukwuani land is producing for the country. You know how many of you are with the Ukwuani land? Yet, Ukwuani remains the poorest and the lowest region when it comes to development. Like, development not the Ukwuani land. Ukwuani is blessed with natural resources. No light, no development. How you go there politics? You be politician, your region not get light for 60 years and you are not concerned. You just stay there, they wear suit up and that they pack money. You are using your people for politics. This is the problem of Africa. We only do politics with our people, Oyibo people. They exploit Africa, they steal from Africa, they destroy Africa to collect our wealth and our resources, to build their home. All this America, Europe, where they see so, as all those places fine so, now African money they build down. They are building their place with what they stole from Africa. But African politics is that we destroy our people, we kill our people, we exploit our people to become richer, while our people become poorer. That is why Africa is never developing. This is the mentality of an African politician. You wear suit, they exploit your people. For the past 60 years, your people don't get light, you are not concerned, and you call yourself a representative. The deputy governor of Delta State is an Ukwuani man. His name is Monday Oyeme. He did that place. He not concerned whether people get light or not. Up till now, he don't even get the agenda of to give him people lights. Now him people they protest. He did the army, police go they shoot him people. Our politicians in Ukwuani land, these people wicked. They're not good. You be politician, your place not good, you don't care. Politics is a profession where you can lie, steal, cheat, and still be respected. That is politics. Politics is a game whereby the rich becomes richer. And the harshness of the law in politics is against the common man, the poor man. And they complain, say I not get like they start to shoot me gun. During NSAS, the same thing. NSAS, they start to shoot protesters. More than 100 protesters were killed. Which people are being held responsible for the shooting? Nobody. Nigeria. You they give another country light, yet your own people not get light. If you go to Ukwuani land, ask them, are you people Igbo? They say, no, we are not Igbo people. Igbo people want to take our land. Igbo people want to take our resources. They are after our crude oil. They are after our land. Now, the people that are shooting you when you are doing protest are not Igbo people. The people that did not give you lights for the past 16 years are not Igbo people. The people that are milking your crude oil, taking your resources from your land, are not Igbo people. Now government they collect on a crude oil. Government not giving a light. They are even shooting you people, burning your cars, burning your bikes when you are protesting. Not be Igbo people do amo. And some of you are still online saying, hey, we are not Igbo people. They want to take our resources, our land. Which people they take this one when they complain now? Government. Are governments owned by the Igbos? No. The government of Nigeria, is it run by the Igbos? No. So, what is your problem, Ukwuani people? Yes! So, if you are the first Igbo today, Igbo people will come take over your land and your resources. Stop believing in those propaganda and lies. During the genocide against the Igbo, during the Biafra war, Ukwuani people started saying that they are not Igbo people just to be saved. That was when our father started rewriting our history, saying that we are not Igbo people, we came from Benin, we came from this place, we came from that place. Ukwuani people also denied being Igbo, just for the government not to be seeing us as Igbos, for the government not to be treating us as Igbos, for the government to be treating us like other tribes in the country, for them to accept us. After denying that we are not Igbos, look at it now. The government is still treating us the way they are treating the Southeast. We say we not be Igbo people in order to get light. The light we not get. The same way that they shoot Southeast people whenever they protest is the same way they are shooting you Ukwuani people during a protest. Is that not an evidence for you to know that we are brothers with the Southeast? You the protest that they shoot you. You deny say you not be Igbo, they still they shoot you. You deny say you not be Igbo, you know they get light, no development. The way there's no infrastructure in the Southeast is the same way there's no infrastructure in Ukwuani land. It's the same way there's no infrastructure in the entire Anyama land. You are Igbo, they will always treat you like an Igbo man. Politician wey be say e dey for 60 years and people not get light, you know just an evil person. Ukwuani land need light, and we must have that light. Look at that abuya. Manu can na own work over there. I ain't the country crude oil. Manu kali no Ukwuani, but I ain't work. I ain't unzo. Ego ade no Ukwuani. Ifoma di na basa no Ukwuani. Buani the country when I go Nigeria. And they make protest when I bani wako. Now do futa moto no kadoko. Na bani tear gas. Ukwuani buani eze. We Ukwuani people, let's support Senator Onedu Nwoko and make sure we actualize Anyama State so that we can develop our region. We can develop Ukwuani land. We will have jobs. We will have good roads. We will have lights. This is what I've been telling our people. Some of them will be saying, we don't want Anyama State to, we don't want Senator Onedu Nwoko to zone Anyama State to Southeast. So we are not Igbo people. They talk different kind of rubbish. You don't want Anyama State light, you not get. How you want to get the light? The entire Anyama wants Anyama State to better their region. And we Ukwuani people, we must never be left behind. Any Ukwuani person that is not supporting Anyama State is an enemy to Ukwuani people. We Ukwuani people, let's wake up. Let's say no to identity crisis. Let's say no to bad politicians in Ukwuani land. Our agenda should be to grow Ukwuani land, to see that Ukwuani is the paradise for Ukwuani people. That is what we are supposed to be doing. Let's support Senator and get Anyama State. Ukwuani must have lights. Ukwuani land must be developed. Nobody can stop Ukwuani land from being developed. Kwale.